This 2015 Leisure Travel Unity U24MB is a Class B RV. It is located in Norcross, Georgia, 30071 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used leisure travel is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Refections, Indigo, Illusion, interior, sleeps 2, Slideout, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2015 Leisure Travel Unity U24MB is built on a Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.